You need to watch this if you struggle with picking your next CPU. Ryzen 9000 X3D versus Intel Core i9-14900K. AMD's Ryzen 9000 X3D packs a punch with 12 cores and 24 threads, while Intel's Core i9-14900K boasts 16 cores and 24 threads. So, which one's for you? In benchmarks, Ryzen leads in multi-threaded tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. But for gaming, Intel's Core i9 is a beast, leveraging higher clock speeds. Real-world apps? Ryzen's efficiency shines in heavy multitasking. Intel's strength? Smooth sailing and high refresh gaming. Both CPUs are powerhouses, but your choice depends on your needs. Editing videos? Ryzen's your friend. Hardcore gamer? Intel's got your back. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech showdowns.